How to fly in Terraria. So on pre-hard mode, flight is heavily restricted in the early game. So you have only one option for actual wings and one option for jet assistance. The only wings available before hard mode is the fledgling wings, which can be found in skyward chests like this on floating islands. So as you can see, we have the fledgling wings right there. So these wings have very short flight time and low height, though they do negate fall damage. You can also get the rocket boots right here, which is sold by the Goblin Tinkerer for 5 gold. But once you defeat the wall of flesh, flight becomes a standard mechanic. So you will basically need to defeat wyverns like this. So wyverns spawn in the sky layer during hard mode. And if you kill one, it will drop some soul of flight, which we will need to craft some wings. Once you have enough souls of flight, you can now then go to a mithril anvil, then check out the recipes available for you. So as you can see, for angel wings, you will need 10 feathers, 20 souls of flight, and 20 souls of light. And for the harpy wings, so you will need to have 20 souls of flight and 1 giant harpy feather. You can also buy the leaf wing from the witch doctor in jungle at night. Or you could also craft the fairy wings, which is crafted with 100 pixie dust. So standard wings have a time limit. So if you want to fly forever without landing, you need to find a specific endgame item. So for infinite flight, you will need to find this soaring insignia, which is dropped by the Empress of Light. So it grants infinite wing and rocket boot flight. And it also increases flight and jump mobility. So do note that this can only be dropped on expert mode. You can also get mounts like the UFO or using the cosmic car key, which summons this UFO right here, which grants infinite flight. Or you could also use the witch broom, which is dropped by the morning wood on expert or master mode only. And you could also get the drill containment unit, which is basically the ultimate mining mount with infinite flight plus mining speed. And that is how I basically fly in Terraria.